Looking for the perfect electric tricycle in 2026? Whether you want comfort, stability, or long-range performance, today's video covers the top 5 best electric trikes you can buy right now. From powerful motors to foldable designs and long battery life, I've picked the best options for commuting, seniors, and everyday use. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Eskute T300 Pro Electric Trike. The Eskute T300 Pro is a premium electric trike built for power and long-distance rides. It features a massive 998.4 Wh battery, giving you excellent range for long commutes or weekend adventures. Paired with a 1200 W peak motor, this trike delivers strong acceleration and smooth riding performance. The 20-inch fat tires provide great stability and grip, especially on rough roads. Plus, the foldable design and butterfly handlebars make storage easier than most trikes in this category. Pros: huge battery for long range, powerful 1200 W motor, foldable and storage friendly, stable fat tires. Cons: slightly expensive, heavier than standard models. Overall, if you want top-tier performance and range, this is one of the best options available. Number 2. Ancheer Electric Tricycle. The Ancheer Electric Tricycle is a fantastic choice for beginners and seniors. It comes with a 600 W peak motor and a 499 Wh removable battery, offering decent power for city riding. With a top speed of around 15.5 miles per hour, it focuses more on safety and comfort rather than speed. One standout feature is the rear differential, which makes turning smoother and safer, especially important for new riders. Pros: beginner-friendly design, rear differential for stability, affordable price, comfortable ride. Cons: lower power compared to others, limited range. Perfect for daily errands and relaxed riding, especially for seniors. Number 3. Qlife Triker Plus. If you're looking for a balance of power and range, the Qlife Triker Plus is a strong contender. It packs a 1200 W peak motor and a 624 Wh battery, delivering speeds up to 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 65 miles. That's impressive for this category. The fat tires and foldable frame make it versatile for both urban and off-road use. Pros: high speed and long range, strong motor performance, foldable design, great for mixed terrain. Cons: slightly bulky, charging time could be faster. A great all-rounder trike for both commuting and adventure. Number 4. Vivy 750W Folding Electric Trike. The Vivy 750W electric trike is a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance. It features a 750W peak motor and a 48V removable battery, making it suitable for short to medium-distance travel. With a folding frame and speed differential, it offers good convenience and stability for everyday use. Pros: affordable price, foldable design, decent motor power, easy to use. Cons: smaller battery capacity, not ideal for long distances, best for budget buyers who want a reliable daily ride. Number 5. KAKIGO Electric Tricycle. Last but not least, the KAKIGO Electric Tricycle stands out with its powerful specs. It features a 1350W peak motor, making it one of the most powerful trikes on this list. Combined with a 48V 15.6 Ah battery, it delivers strong performance and a top speed of 20 miles per hour. You also get front and rear baskets, making it perfect for shopping or cargo transport. Pros: very powerful motor, large battery capacity, dual baskets for storage, great for heavy-duty use. Cons: heavier build, slightly bulky design, ideal for cargo, heavy use, and high power needs. That's it for today's video on the top 5 best electric tricycles in 2026. All the product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.